Toyota Hilux 2007 to 2014 version, installed for Cogoo S Series, 2 GB RAM with IPS screen, 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Okay, 10.1 inch OEM socket plug and play. Screen fixed outside panel frame. No need change casing for 10.1. Screen fixed outside panel frame by universal bracket. IPS screen, multi-angle view. Okay, connect with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Auto front cam. So you have to add on a two-way camera converter. This is for the front camera view for 10 seconds. After that, we'll back to a normal screen. Full menu. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect hotspot. Connect your phone sharing hotspot for internet. Car setting. Sound setting. Equalizer. Preset. System info. So it's a 2 GB RAM, 2 GB DDR RAM, 16 GB storage. Okay, 2 USB extension. We put in the drawer. It support USB pen drive and USB hard disk. System Android 8.0. Radio FM chipset NXP 6851. 45 watt times 4 and display 1024 times 600. Support video file up to Full HD 1080p. Factory setting 8888 for password. So you can do factory setting. GPS detect. So all Android GPS player is come with a GPS antenna. Volume setting, preset volume. Brightness adjust. Steering wheel control setting. Change your boot logo. Radio setting. Other setting. Reverse setting, you can turn no mute off. Okay, when now I show for the radio FM tuner. Okay, volume. So reverse. Radio still keep on. Back to normal. Auto front cam 10 seconds. So Play Store download app, log in a Gmail, video input and video output. It's got a Bluetooth function, Bluetooth call. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. So Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. Nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Radio's keep on. So press any way to turn it on. Okay, so this is Cogoo S Series 2 GB RAM, IPS screen with 2.5 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen, OEM socket plug and play for Toyota Hilux 2007 to 2014. 10.1 inch CG-AD010S2 IPS. Cogoo S Series big screen 10.1. Okay, installed by One Piece. Thank you.